Unbelievable.
Oh, is it cop?
He ain't no cop.
Oh,
I ought to call him in.
Are you kidding me? That's nice.
SGS 5603.
Wow.
Yes, I received it.
所以这个问题我处理过很多次，我每次跟他们的一点点删掉你的社交媒体，你就会发现你这个世界是另外一个样子。你在现实生活中遇到大家对你是很 nice 的，看到你是很开心的，就不会受到那些情绪的影响。
Look. You gotta look.
I recognize one of those kids.
They were asking what was going on, why my mom was so upset, why William looked like he hadn't slept in a week. I told them the truth. I used to help them because I thought that's what family did, but they made it clear I'm not family, so I'm done. Some people took my side, some didn't. That's life. Now here's the part that really got me. I found out from a mutual friend that my parents had tried to get a loan to cover the business problems, but got denied because of missed payments and bad
What is he doing? What did he just do? Oh! Footage 204. Remember this.
Oh my god.
204. What? I'm not horn dilam. I honked at him. Why did he still continue going?
Oh my god!
Sir? Do they really take crack?
So.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
It's a bit of a character actor, I think, to lose himself in a movie somewhere. I've seen him in the movie. He's so good at that role. I told you, he should start a mob in Jersey.
So we have like the women of style issue, the men of style issue,
Stevie comes up with those themes.
and with the board and whoever else cares. Wow.
Yes.
Ooh, it's a chase.
Oh, wow. Sure is.
Oh, I've been watching these on YouTube,
Oh, no.
and they never end well.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so exciting though. Oh, the car's there.
Oh, my God.
He's on foot.
Customers report lower latency and higher bandwidth versus other clouds. This is the cloud built for AI and all your biggest workloads. Right now, with zero commitment, try OCI for free. Head to Oracle.com.
Apathy quickly brought him under attack by his colleagues. His very traditional university distanced itself from it. His once supportive work environment became hostile and stymied his opportunities for advancement. For nearly a century, the
Oh my fucking god.
Jesus Christ.
This is the big bug.
This is a big scene because so Hodgins comes in. I'm at the point of drinking where I'm now tired, and now I'm just no, you got to push past that, and you have more. Sleep, no.
They, you can't because then saying this episode made you tired, and you can't do that.
No.
We're getting to a good spot here. You're in a good spot. In this,
So Hodgins walks in. I'm awake. And he asks Angela out, and he says that they've been dancing around each other like two pieces of steel.
What's the address of your emergency?
Yes, I'm driving in Bridges Pond right now. Honda that's acting real suspicious and it's like following me over because it keeps following me.
Yes, sir. We have two officers en route to you. Where are you at now?
I'm on Amos Bridges. I'm Hey, sir, she's 10 minutes, and I'm kind of shaking right now. So, ma'am, she's...
So I'm going to disconnect now, okay?
Okay, thank you.